Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Grammar Classes. Now I will continue the part which I left in the previous video, the phonemic sound. Okay. This is the long in sound E in Hindi and this is the short in sound E in Hindi language, and U and two dot long in sound, and long in sound the symbol in Hindi bada U. And we will discuss the school, pool and cool. Okay, and the next one is U, and this one the sound in Hindi chota U, and the word is good, full and foot. Is it clear? Here is also the double O in spelling, but the sound of these words go in a short in sound. Okay, for example, good and full and food. If we transcribe these words, G is a consonant, will never change, G, and double O short in sound, we will take the symbol in the phonetic transcription, this one, and D is a consonant, so will never change. This is good, not good. This is the good, and this also full. If we transcribe this word, the phonetic transcription of this word is full, not fool. It will be full, but spelling will be changed. The spelling of this one that will go in a long in sound, that is the fool, not full. Is it clear? And the next one is this is also the one vowel A, and in Hindi this one A, छोटी A जिसको हम बोलते हैं in Hindi A, and the phonetic the word is bed, and the next one 10, and the next one pen. Is it clear? Bed, whenever we find in spelling E, the pronunciation of this word will go bed. 10, pen. Is it clear? And the transcription of this word will be the same also. Bed. This is the consonant and this also consonant, so both are never changed. And E is a vowel, and it will be the take the symbol, same symbol in phonetic transcription as well as in sound. Okay, and the next vowel is A. In my previous video I have discussed number of time, this is the A, but this word is A is nothing in sound in Hindi language. We know that the symbol of this meaning in Hindi language, it means the word of this A is not a full-fleshed A. This is the half in sound, that is the nothing in sound in English. A. For example, here is teacher. Teacher, and the next one about. About. Teacher, about. Whenever we find ER in spelling at the at the end of the spelling ER, then we use the same phonetic transcription A, teacher, because whenever we pronounce this word a teacher, not a teacher, not teacher, teacher, killer, and this one not the pronunciation of this word about, not about. This is the wrong pronunciation, about. What is this? About. If we transcribe this word A, B, A, U and T, ab. Here the nothing in sound, weak syllable, and this is the strong in sound, that is the about. Is it clear? And the next vowel is 3 and 2 dot. 3 and 2 dot, that is the R. R. The sound of this in Hindi R, and whenever we found in word bird. Here is the sound of, if we pronounce this word bird, sound is b a r d, bird. And the next one curd. Here is also sound of r, curd. And the next one is dirty. Is it clear? Same is, this is the vowel r, and here is the vowel e and I and r, and here is also the sound of I and ir, bird, curd and dirty. Is it clear? And the next one is, this is the vowel, and in Hindi this will take the symbol of a. This is the full-fledged a. Is it clear? We take this one. This is the nothing a, and it will come in the whenever er is given in the end of the spelling, then we will use this. And the a, whenever a is given in the spelling, then we use the nothing a. And here is the full-fledged a. That is the first vowel of Hindi language, a. In English language, the first one is cup, bus and much. Is it clear? Here is the one common fact. Here is also u, and this one also u, and this one. C is a consonant and P also consonant, and U is a vowel. We have learnt 5 types of vowel: A, E, I, O, U. These are the very basic vowels in English language. U, and here is also, these are the consonant and this one vowel, and these are the consonant, this one vowel. It means, in short, we can say that you take two sound. First one a, that is the full flash sound, and the second one ya. Okay, and a, that means full flashed. This is the symbol of a. And u, this is the symbol of u in phonetic transcription. Is it clear? We can use in two sound, u, we can use in two sound, phonemic sound. First one a and the second one u, ya. And we can take the example of here, first one umbrella. What's the pronunciation of umbrella? Umbrella and umbrella. Umbrella is the correct pronunciation, not umbrella. And the second one, if we write a one word, unity. Okay? This is the unity. You take the sound of ya, not a. If we pronounce this word unity and unity, this is one the unity. Is it clear? So this is also the one type of symbol. We can say it in a easy way, ulta V. Okay? And this is the one type of a symbol. And okay, and remaining I will discuss in my next video. Thank you.